was interested in these flowers, but they actually look good outside. Do they hold up? How much do they really cover? Here I covered a 6 by 12 foot flower bed. They're a silk with a soft touch. There's some color variegation in the leaves, kind of from a lime to a deeper green, 2 of each color. You get a red, kind of a fuchsia, a warmer pink, a purple. The yellow was a little bit too bright for me. I did love the white, and I loved the ferns that came with them as well. What stands out to me, I love that you get 13 bunches. They are UV resistant. With the plastic stakes, they were so easy to put in the ground like you normally would, and the tall ferns add that height and depth. I love these. They have that color variegation. They're a little bit more of a rubberized texture, but they have movement variegation. They definitely move in the breeze, and they add a very realistic touch that I love. And there's something about the combination of the multiple colors, the tall ferns, it just resists sunlight, no water, no maintenance. Shove them in the ground with the plastic stake, you're good to go. It couldn't be easier. Very flexible. Love that I can change the colors and the layouts. And even though I didn't use the yellow, I feel like the end result is so beautiful and really adds a colorful impact to this corner of our yard. Mixing the color variegations in and planting them as though they were a real flower really does give it that realistic look from the curb that I was hoping for. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.